What happened to your phone, you said?
My 12-year-old granddaughter took my phone in my car, used it, and dropped it in between the seats and cracked it just a little bit. Then my 11-year-old grandson stole it from me in my own apartment, played with it for 2 days straight, hiding it from me while I'm going crazy trying to figure out where it is, because he said he had to play Roblox and speak with his homies on Roblox. So now here I am trying to get my phone fixed, and I hope he'll be able to change my phone to red on the backing and white in the front.
Don't worry, I got you.
Thank you so much.
Time to fix back. I will fix this back glass as well. One more time laser. Your phone is ready.
Oh my God, it's gorgeous. Thank you. I
You
can't
like it?
believe it. Ah, wait till my grandkids see it.